Hello students, good evening. After earlier session, this is now I am going to teach about only male heterogamity, which are different genes which has decided by the sex of the organism. So male heterogamity and female heterogamity we are going to discuss here. So first one, which is there for human being, I have told already. Human male will have XY chromosome. That is what here it is called. I have mentioned in male heterogamity two types. That is XX and XY type of sex determination. Second one is XX and XO. So here XX and XY type of sex determination will be possible in human being and example Drosophila and human being. So the parents, whether it is a female or male, the chromosome are 46 chromosomes and 23 pairs, which are here this AA means autosomes. Allosomes are which are decided by these. So in female it will be XX chromosome and male it will be XY. So the gametes will be A plus X and here it will be A plus XXY. So offspring will have 50% it can be female and 50% it can be male. When Y chromosome has come, then it will be male. Then in this female it will be XX and this one. So but the second one which has different kind of sex determination, which is XX and XO, example is grasshopper. Here in grasshopper and birds, butterfly, there will be not XY chromosomes, there are different. So here in grasshopper, the female will contain again same like human being XXY X chromosome, male will have XO and same gametes will be same as human being and the same female, everything is 50%. But here in female heterogamity, for example birds, this is homogametes. Here XX is homogametes, XY is heterogametes, because these are different, these are same. So this one will be reverse, opposite, ulta in birds, because birds contain male chromosome will be homogametes, that is ZZ, that is Z and Z, and female will be ZY. Suppose the question has come for you, explain the female heterogamity in birds, then you have to mention the homogametes will be in ZZ. So heterogamity which is different here in birds is ZW. Then the gametes will be A plus Z and A plus W. Then the offspring will be 50% it can be male, 50% it can be female. So the chances of offspring will be again same like human being. So here the female heterogamity, female is the dominant here and the heterogametes it contain, that is why the example. In butterfly, homogametes same like birds only, here homogametes similar gametes that are ZZ, but here O not W. When we are mentioning W, that is for birds. Here heterogametes different kind in butterfly, that is one gamete will be Z, another gamete will be O. Then obviously the gametes will be A plus Z and A plus O and offspring will be the 50% chances of male, 50% chances of female. This is the kind of the best examples for these heterogamity. So these, as I already told, X chromosome was discovered by Henking or X body. That is the 1 mark question it is repeating. Even for 2 marks, 3 marks, what are Hollandric genes or Y-linked genes? The genes which are present on Y chromosome are called Hollandric genes. And next question was pleiotropy. Pleiotropy in pea plant only, like Mendel, the starch synthesis in pea plant is controlled by single gene. The single gene is responsible for the starch synthesis in pea plant. So that gene is called pleiotropy genes. Suppose those genes which are for round seeds, the allele chromosome will be capital BB, wherever these wrinkled seeds will be told by small bb. That is 2 marks. Again, polygenic inheritance, in name itself it is there. When poly, it is many genes. Many genes are getting inherited to the offspring. Many genes are inherited to the offspring. For example, for skin color, whether it is a light, dark color or other any colors which are responsible for those genes are called capital AA, BB, CC, together many genes. That is why this is called polygenic inheritance. Like that, in next session will be the pedigree analysis, which are most of the questions are coming in NEET as well as board point of view. Those we are going to discuss. So those are, hope you understand this lesson.